order for Adom TV. Jumadi we Nkuranhyensem. Me am ti dwam amede jumadi on chame. Ediam yeso nita ekotego. Wo de ma odi minimudi dada. Na de amesra ma ona da se onyame baye Adom na Adom wo na wabra abo na muntuo di susaso papa abrewo na empo edi ayeye amosoro. Oyeyi a ya na mepe. Enesoso enioma yetaya yo ye be ma ya brabo edimu se empo enyankopon ensa no adwuma onyame wobo ni pada se ni bia no odi bibi hye mu ese se utimi tumpon wahunu se ebro ani wo de hye fom a brebre na pagya na mu na aso aba banchi dua keto de hye fom a na aso aba bibia onyame ye bia no e abaso na ni nyina so e nneoma bi wo ha yeyo so wo de ebro ani ehye toyam na akata to no so a emfie du emfifi because nye ho na ese efifire enti ade bi yankopon ayoye no ewo nyina so nti a etimutumpon enam eda nsuomu a owonkwa ofiri nsuomu a wowu enti no saa na nipa so no ewo ne bi wo ho asese wo na adie asabrabo adimu tina dey me ma ba ku bi ene se wotimi trans na bi san se enti me da ache ade you have to learn to visualize your future self. 2 years from today, 5 years from today, 10 years from today, how do I want to be seen or known? If you me no ekona nimi, if you num, if you do, kwambe so mpese ehumie, and a dimba ne pese e de bomie. In 1 year's time, in 2 years' time, in 3 years' time, 5 years' time, how do I want my spouse to feel about me? Obi a menene egwa wade mu kwambe so mpese onya tenka fa me ho mfie mienu ekoi. You see, you visualize your future by looking at what works and what doesn't work. You know bo ho abrabo mu wa uni se wo de bibi a ayeyi. You know bo ho a uni se wo de ade a ayeyi. Nti wo be hwe future no say me in 3 years time I want to be the international motivational speaker. An international Nkuranhyensem. Fine, my setting me goal, no. So my international there, I need to do certain things right. I need to appeal to hearts internationally. So my kasa, I can't 1 year any Ghana keke akoma so. Just me kabro for no and French, but me Ghana to make a tree. So me international oriented. Na empo matari shemu any contacts network amaye. When I'm doing kita dia hu except me international. Then my goal is working. For example, in 2 years' time, me person will be shame because we dear why you defo why your mama, we dear mobruhuni ohuni pamobo. It means me kasa ne me ne any madwina me dwini nyina be gina sa tibia we so. I want to be known as a kind man. Kind. Obi a wo humobro ya otunu hu si wo ma obi. So you need to set a goal. And your goal must be based on what we call values. The things that are important to you. I have 4 values. And you're my sumbo my brabomu ye 9. But you respect, obuo, responsibility. Sanko ye amiana miyoye. Eko ye nso amiana miyoye. Integrity. Pepepe yoni no kureka. Oh. And bakoso ye innovation and creativity. Say abribia me be fufuro na sebe obi ho atono. These are my 4 values. Therefore, some ifati mo pobia maybe say when obuo bata ho, am I responsible for this decision? Am I creating an innovation? And is it integrous? So the same way, so I say also your values. Gana ni awutemi. We need values are for phone, not type. What are values? Now I pick up values. Or what you mukwe say we have values, you know kuru wo fie. Na mo trouble mo dem in this house. We live by integrity, we live by respect, we live by being responsible, and we live by we no akasa. Therefore, obi o fidua no nyina na montuo nyina gina sa values we so. And na so boma wote eko anim no, you will yield the fruits of integrity. Me se abrabo ayebo no. Se wotwa mfoni fa woda ache ho. Wo chena bi afese ne. Emfie num se ne. Say na mpese abusua hunu me say na mpesa wo man hunu me say na mpesa madwuma efo am na adwuma hunu me say na mpesa me ho kani hunu me. You create a picture of what you want to be known for the future. Now sa picture no obekura bibi e fa na values na ma show boma wo me de e nine ma kire responsibility, respect, integrity and innovation. Enti abribia me no bi dia me no bi ya e dia agura me de obuo respect. Sam koyi me tumi say me ka ho bi. Say koyi so me ka ho bi. I'm responsible for everything I do. Therefore, before I make a decision, I should check the consequences because I'm responsible for my consequences. I have integrity. I try to be very loyal and truthful in my decisions and choices. I have what I call innovation. And you know, if you make a picture of your future, find values to work with in your family. When you have values, you know, say, "Ope bibi e friend appraiser performance." Your adwuma mu busumi nsia bia na afi bia no adwumafo no mpanifo no ye betrase aha otosin wa ha how ye we friend performance appraiser and our performance management ni awo ye ko yie no ni ateke yanko ye ni na udi ahua de onipa wa brabo mu. Do you do performance appraiser? Wa brabo mu apomo de kra, do you appraise your health? Say me body to say, me BP to say, because you need to appraise everything about you. Appraise your spirituality. Me nyame som ekosai. Me mpa boy ekosai. Ayi me nyankopon ekosai. Me ne me ho kani asetena me ya appraise la me dimu. Eso ani. Esafata. Me ne me ma enkita hodie eso ani. Edimu esafata. Se utimi ya appraisal about your life every time. When you do appraisal, it shows you where you are making mistakes and where you need to improve upon your life. Me dase pass on your me. Mamencha Albert, Francis, Isaac, Osmosis, and my producers, Randolph, and Ejawebe Kampedu. And Shiran Kamunina, my boy, me dear by Titiwo, Ununyame, Entina.